experience with drawing human features, I found that it's really helpful to think of the subject as a 3D object because it's always more useful to start from simple shapes and slowly add details.
If you're having some trouble doing this, you can always use a 3D head model reference picture to guide you. I put one in the resources folder if you would like to download it. So, to make this process gradual, the trick is to start by simple shapes because you can always go from simple to articulate. To create a sense of volume and perspective, remember that the planes that are fit in front are going to look more flat and wide. Instead, the ones that are on the side are going to appear shorter. So, breaking down our image into planes not only can give you a better understanding of the volume, but also of the light. So, this means that I'm thinking of every feature as a 3D object. For example, here, I'm breaking down the nose into basically three main planes on the top part. This allows me to divide the light in three sections and to understand where the light comes from. So one side is going to be darker and the other side is going to be lighter. So a very useful thing to do is to think of a feature, for example, the head, and then think about a primitive shape that looks the most familiar to it. In this case, I decided to use a box as the closest thing to the head of a human being. I always found the box or the cube as a great starting point to draw the head of a person. It immediately puts the shape of our subject in perspective. And once you draw the lines dividing the cube in the center, it becomes very easy to place all the features of your character in the right area.